And so, what we've come to is this understanding that we need a trauma informed approach and we need to live a trauma informed life. A trauma informed approach incorporates three key elements. This is in the brochure that I gave you all. The first is realizing the prevalence of trauma. We talked about that in our last webinar, and we've talked about that here. Trauma touches all of us multiple times, usually through our life. And so we understand that whether we know or we don't know, people are experiencing trauma. Secondly, we recognize how trauma affects all individuals involved with the program organization, including its own workforce. We talked about that last time, that we have to start with our teachers and caring for our teachers so that we can care for our students. And a trauma informed approach recognizes that trauma impacts all of us. And then thirdly, we respond by putting this knowledge into practice. And that's what we're going to talk about here the rest of this presentation.